What's up everyone? Coach Gabby here, and today I have Larry, one of our awesome team members, to help me show you these 5 awesome sitting stretches that you can do at your desk. If you spend, most of your day at a desk, on a chair, you know that it can be very strenuous on your back, and it's super important to stretch out those muscles and keep a healthy spine, no matter what age, where you're at in your life. Spine health, important. So let's get into it. So first, we are going to start with a simple overhead stretch. Take a deep breath, both arms up, very good, and you're just gonna stretch up. Elongate the spine. Take a second to stretch out. Breathe if you need to. Maybe nod your head. Yes, no. 30 seconds. Maybe wiggle side to side if that feels good. Maybe go a little bit backwards if you need to. And come down, very good. That was just the beginning, because next we have our side stretches. So if you have like a elbow rest here, you can put your arm there, or like me, just hold on to the side of your chair. Right arm, stretch side, over and over, over and over. 30 seconds. You should feel a really nice stretch here on the side, your obliques. Don't forget to breathe. All right, 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Come up and over slowly. Oh, that should have felt good. How does it feel? Good? Love it. So the other side, stretch over. Over and over. Ooh, I just had something crack. I love a nice little pop in the spine. Breathe, relax. Release all that tension from sitting down. And 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and up. Very good. So we did up, we did the sides. Now let's go forward. So what we're gonna do is start by coming down, put your elbows over your knees, maybe relax here a little bit, and regulate that feeling. And then we're gonna bring our hands down to our feet and relax your head down. So tuck that chin in, elongate the spine here, and we're gonna relax here for 30 seconds. All right, slowly come up, 1 vertebrae at a time. Very good, a nice little shoulder roll, everything comes back into place. And now we're going for a seated rotation. So left hand on your armrest or on the chair, and we're going to elongate the hands to the side, and it's gonna come forward and over to the outside of your knee. From here, you're going to continue your gaze backwards towards your left shoulder. 30 seconds. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back slowly. Very good. And next arm. So out to the side and over, stretch, elongate, outside of the knee, continue, and relax. Remember to relax your shoulders. We don't want them up here, we want them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. So we're kind of working our way to the top, from the top to the bottom. So now for our last stretch, we're gonna relax, stretch those hips. I'm sorry, where are my words today? I'm not sure. They're lost in the stretches, I'm telling you. So we're going to stretch those hips that can get super tense when you're sitting all day, legs crossed. That's actually not good for you when you're sitting. We want our feet flat on the floor. So we're gonna open these hips. So what we're gonna do is lift your knee, grab your right foot and bring it over the knee a bit. Ooh, I already had a pop here at the knee. And we are going to sit here if you feel comfortable here. If you feel the stretch here, stay here. If you want a little bit more of a stretch, go ahead with a flat back and come forward. 30 seconds on this side. Don't forget to breathe. And with every exhale, maybe lean in a little bit more in the stretch. All right, 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Gently release. Oh, that's probably one of my favorite stretches. It's super good for the hips. Yeah, feels good. Love to hear it. So next, knee up, grab that ankle over the other knee. And we're going to stay here or with a straight back, come forward. 30 seconds. All right, 3, 2, 1. Come up and gently come out and release. Wow, very good, feel great. So those were 5 amazing stretches you could do sitting down at your chair, on your couch, at your desk to keep a healthy spine and keep you pain-free. Check out our channel, subscribe for many more videos just like this.